Hey, amazing teachers. Want a ridiculously easy way to expand your students' vocabulary without overwhelming them? Try this. Have students replace just one key word in a text with a synonym. That's it. This small change forces them to think about word choice, shades of meaning, and how language works in context. Instead of memorizing endless lists, they're actively using new words in a way that sticks. Imagine swapping out big for massive, gigantic, or colossal. Suddenly, students have multiple ways to express the same idea, all without feeling like they're drowning in new vocabulary. Here's how you can make it work instantly. Give students a short paragraph and have them highlight just one overused or basic word. Then, as a class or in small groups, brainstorm 3 to 5 possible replacements. For example, take a sentence like, "The dog ran across the yard." Students could replace ran with sprinted, bolted, darted, or raced. This quick tweak doesn't just build vocabulary, it also strengthens comprehension because they're thinking about nuances and meaning. Plus, this works at any level. Novices can swap simple words while advanced students refine their word choices with precision. Want to take it up a notch? Create a synonym swap challenge. Give students a passage and challenge them to replace 5 words using a thesaurus, context clues, or peer discussions. Then have them read both versions to see which one sounds stronger and why. The best part? This isn't just an isolated vocab drill. It's real, meaningful language use. Ready to make your vocabulary growth effortless? Try this in your next lesson. And if you want to assess your own CI teaching proficiency, take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz to see where you stand and how you can level up your skills.